I reckon that jar number 1 has changed into a very bright fluorescent colour. I mean. And it's very, very bright now, and it looks like the sun in the sky. And it's very beautiful. And it looks very creative. It's a very great piece of art.
So what was it like before, Chloe?
Before it was just like, it was all dark before. There was like oil in it, looked like that before.
Mm-hmm.
And the water, it just looked clear.
Alright, so it looks a fluorescent colour. Next one, next jar. What does this one? This jar number...
Jar number 2.
Which has got...
Mustard.
And what else?
Oil and water.
And what does it, do you think about this one? What does this one look like?
I think that this one has changed too, because the mustard usually looks like a peanut butter spread.
Yeah, we know what it looks like, but
to
what do
spread
you
on
think?
your sandwiches,
Yeah.
but now it's got all runny like all of these other jars. Like
For this one?
For jar 2, it's got all runny, and it looks
And
very,
what
very
else?
nice. So if you look through the little peephole...
Can you see through the glass?
No.
So what would you say about that?
Because all the mustard has...
Did the colour change at all?
Yeah, just a little
What
bit.
did the colour change to?
Into a dark fluorescent brown.
Okay.
And like the mustard, I can see all the powder down the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
So if you like look up to it,
yeah.
there's also a bit of liquid there too. So it's very interesting.
Alright, good. Alright, that was jar number
Yep,
one.
and it's jar number 2, and it also has a very interesting texture.
Oh yeah, it's got a lot of... It's a bit cloudy on the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's because of why?
That's because the mustard has turned into powder.
Okay, good girl. Alright, good girl. Next one. Right.
This is jar number 3,
Mm.
which only has salt, oil, and water. And I can't see the salt anymore. I can just see it up there, because all the salt has actually dissolved. Because the salt has dissolved.
Good, good. Keep
And
going.
if you kind of look down the bottom, you can probably see some little bubbles.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see the dark oil, and you can see the salt, which looks all murky.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like something I don't want to say.
Alright, alright, next.
And
So
the
what's your
salt is
answer to that
dissolved.
one? What did you see the change in this one?
I saw the change that the salt dissolved. Like, do you know when you make jelly and stuff, and where all those little particles dissolve?
Crystals.
Those crystals dissolve.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the salt, how that dissolves. So probably the crystals are like the salt. Probably the crystals are actually made from a little bit of salt, because it actually looks exactly like it.
Alright,
They put some food colouring in it.
Yeah, alright. The next one?
This is jar number 4, which has honey, oil, and water. This is actually the only jar that looks very, very dark and brown, and it looks like some muddy juice. So, if you look, put your head to the side, and if you see the oil, it's actually gone a bit thick, and then you can see the honey down the bottom, because it has 2 layers to it, 2 little belly layers. And with the honey, it's turned into this. So if you see the little herbs in there.
Does the colour change? You need to put on. I can't see.
Yes.
Did the colour change?
The colour changed into a dark, yucky colour.
Did it go, how did it go when you shook it?
It went into a dark, light brown colour.
Right, okay.
Like this.
Okay, that one was jar number what?
Jar number 4.
Alright, quick, the last one, our battery is running low.
And now this is jar number 5. And this is just about after the stir.
What's in that one?
This one, it has, of course you all know, detergent, oil and water.
And what happened to that one when it changed? When you
It
shook
got a little bit frothy, a little bit.
Yeah, did anything else change? Just the frost? Frothy?
The froth, the oil, as you can see, there's actually 3 different layers. It's a little bit bubbly.
Yep.
A little bit of liquid and a little bit of green stuff,
Excellent.
which is down the bottom. So if you could,
Mm-hmm.
if you'd like to have a look,
Yeah.
it has 3 different layers in it, and it's very creative.
So when you shook it, what happened when you shook it and after you put it down?
I didn't shake it, I stirred it for 30
That's
seconds.
right. Good girl. Good girl. And that was the only one that you stirred? Right.
Yeah.
Okay then. Good girl then. That's
Because
it.
because if you... But, no, I didn't then, because you have to have a look at it for
5 minutes
15. And then you have to come back within another 10 minutes, so you have to always...
Alright, there you go. Have a look. Have a look at them all. There we go. Alright, we'll come back because the batteries are running low. Alright, okay, I'm going to stop it now.